See that? That crack, that crunch, that golden brown beauty sitting in a pool of sexy green sauce. You know what that is? That's a fish stick that went to college, got a degree in finance. Now it's too good for tartar sauce. This is Macadamia Nut Crusted Halibut. Welcome to Food Illustrated. Here's the deal. The macadamia nut, Australian, the coconut, ancient tropical royalty, the jalapeño, New World troublemaker. This plate is a United Nations summit, and everyone brought delicious. First, 2 jalapeños, cut in half, seed them, and for the love of God, wash your hands. We're roasting these at 350 for 10 minutes until they look sad and blistered. Why? Because raw jalapeno is a bully, roasted jalapeno is a diplomat. Smoky, complex. Invited to all the parties, into a bag they go to steam. Meanwhile, 1 cup coconut milk in a pan, full fat. The skimpy stuff has no business here. Simmer gently until it reduces by half. We're concentrating flavor, driving out water, making liquid gold. Don't rush. Read a book. 20 minutes. Back to our peppers. Peel off those skins. Into the blender with the reduced coconut milk, lime juice, salt. Blend until it looks like something you'd pay $18 for. Now the crust. Macadamia nuts and panko in the food processor. Pulse. Stop. You want crumbly, not paste. Add parsley and chives. Shallow bowl. Egg wash in another bowl. Pat your halibut bone dry. Wet fish is sad fish. Season both sides. Dredge an egg, then into the nuts. Press firmly. We're building armor, not applying sunscreen. Hot pan. Medium-high. Oil shimmering. Fish in. Listen to that sizzle. That's the Maillard reaction. Science talk for this is about to get delicious. 2 to 3 minutes. Flip into a 350-degree oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Sauce on the plate, fish on the sauce, parsley on top. First bite, crunch, then flaky, sweet halibut. Then that sauce, smoky, creamy, tangy with a little warmth that sneaks up like a friend surprising you for your birthday. It's fancy. It's fast. It's a fish stick that grew up and got a 401k. This Food Illustrated. Enjoy the process.